Okay, so we're here today. We're going to show you how to set up the new pitching machine. So the first thing you have to do is lift the net up, tie it off to the string, bring in the machine. These are your legs. One leg goes toward the pitcher. That'll go back this way. Two legs out toward the batter. This part of the machine drops right over. Tighten your adjustment on the bottom. We're missing a part. Carolyn has it. This is the self-pitch tube. We'll put that on first. Make sure it's screwed down tight. Everything's on tight, and we'll plug it in. We're using the plug at the corner of Concession. There's a switch on the back side of the machine. Turn that on. It'll start just like our other pitching machines. Roughly line it up. Don's sitting on our bucket of balls. Oh, no, we're using this ball. There's two different settings we'll show you after. This is set for the 12-inch balls. Make sure you present your ball. Drop it in. We're dropping low, so we're going to turn the speed up. Generally, we found you want it at the maximum speed. Again, present your ball. Drop it in. We need to come up a little higher. And these are the same as our other pitching machines. Just make minor adjustment. Turn the base. Present the ball. Still a little bit high. Drop it a little. Okay, now if you want to use the self feeder, turn the machine off. Take this off, put it in the bucket. This is the automatic feeder. Self feeder, automatic feeder. Screws right in. We have changed the plug around. Let's see. So we'll plug this pigtail down to the bottom. Now our power goes in up here. It can really only be done one way. Match all the ends up. This turns the self feeder on and off. You want it off when you load the balls. Have the machine off. It'll take 14 balls. Turn the machine on, let it come up to speed. Just listen, you'll hear when the sound evens out. And then turn on the automatic feeder. You'll see the little wheels start moving. Drops the balls like every 3 to 5 seconds. The balls will come out somewhat randomly. More or less on your target. Again, with these 12-inch balls, we're running it at maximum speed. We'll let the balls run out and then I'll show you how to take it apart. You can make any adjustments. Loosening this, you can change the direction left or right. Here, change up, down. Need to make just a minor adjustment. Just pushing the stand a little bit, one way or the other, pushing it down, lifting it up just a little. Make minor changes. Shut off the feeder. It's not necessary, but you can slow down the motor before you turn it off. Unplug the automatic feeder. Unplug your power. If you hold the machine in this area, you can balance it while you take out screws. Be careful not to get this portion in the sand as much as possible. That lifts off. Put the screw back in. Actually, what we'll do is put the hand feeder in. Loosen the bottom. Turn the knob between two legs. Tip it. Just tip it again. You have to have the knob almost all the way out. Then it will come apart. Screw the knob back in. Now you're ready to put it back in the shed.
Are these the same pitching machine balls we use in the other machines?
No. Make sure you only use these soft spongy balls. Don't use the other balls in this machine. It's not designed for them.
What's the black stripe on the ball?
These are 12-inch balls. The bucket Don's sitting on. These are 12-inch balls with the stripe. These are 11-inch balls. When you set up the machine for the 11-inch balls, you'll find they do go much faster. You don't need them at the maximum speed like we talked about. And when we're doing 11-inch balls, Don comes over here with a camera. In order for the 11-inch balls to fit, we need to go to the second setting, which will make the opening a little bit smaller. Come down to here. It's marked LFSB. LFSB, and I'll mark it out 11-inch and 12-inch. And now we can run the 11-inch balls. We do it at max speed. And we need to go up. Tighten it back down. We slow it down just a little bit. Yeah, that needs to go down a little bit. Somewhere in that area there. So now that we've got it on target, we can have a batter up. Present the ball. Drop it in. Present the ball, drop it in.